sad. Okay, so we have C, D minor, okay. So we're not going to be using the capo for this one. It's basically C to D minor, F, and then we're back to C. C, D minor, F, C, A minor, and then F, okay, to G, C, to A minor, F, and then G. Back to verse. C to D minor, to G, C, C, D minor, F to G, and then back to C. This is now the chorus, A minor. Alright, so that's pretty much it. It's kind of like a sad song, but it's a love song. Listening to the words and everything, it's a beautiful song. Make sure you do learn it. For the advanced plucking that I was doing, it's basically... Ooh, almost dropped my phone, so sorry. There we go. Alright, so... So that's your C, which is open, which is 5, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. So 5, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. The only difference is the first 2, 4 is open on the second string, and then the second one you hammer on that second string first fret. So that's... switch D minor, A minor, and then you do the same thing. Sorry, F. That's G now, and it's pretty much the same thing. If you want me guys, if you guys want me to do like a full detailed tutorial on this particular song,